Design thinking is a mindset with an accompanying process that helps people take a user-centered approach to problem solving. Workshops are a common way to include others in this process. And it's helpful to install 6 rules to help participants embrace the core principles of design thinking during these workshops. Let's review each rule and why it's helpful. Rule 1 is quantity over quality. When we strive to generate new and unique ideas during the ideation phase, it's important to focus on generating a wide range of proposals. The more we can come up with, the better our final outcomes tend to be. Try to suppress your natural tendency to judge the quality of the ideas right away and instead focus on getting ideas out there on sticky notes or a piece of paper. This leads me directly to our second rule: defer judgment. This is true for your own ideas, but also for everybody else's ideas. Don't judge them right away. Instead, use them as an inspiration to generate even more ideas. There will be a time and a place to evaluate these ideas, but this happens later in the process. Rule 3 is to embrace wild ideas. This is only possible if we defer judgment. Then we can come up with ideas that are wild, totally out of the box, and unrealistic. In some rare cases, we might find ways to make these seemingly impossible ideas work, which can give us a great competitive advantage. But even in cases where we can't make the initial idea work, it might help us look at the problem from a different angle. Rule 4 is to fail fast, cheap, and often. We aren't saying rush and ship something bad, but learn along the way, as it helps reduce risk tremendously. With every round of testing and figuring out what fails, we learn about our users and how to improve our idea or product. The goal is to collect this insight frequently and inexpensively. Early in the design cycle, we might use activities like buddy storming, storyboarding, or creating paper prototypes. Later in the cycle, we could use the Wizard of Oz method or conduct user testing. Rule 5 says show, don't tell. You might have heard the famous saying, "A picture is worth 1,000 words." This old wisdom also holds true when it comes to sharing UX ideas. A quick sketch often explains an idea much better than we could by just talking about it. And the last rule of design thinking is to build on the ideas of others. This means taking an idea of someone else and adding your unique knowledge to it to further develop and refine it. One of the great advantages of doing workshop activities with team members is that everybody brings a unique background and unique knowledge with them. When these are applied to the ideas of others, we can arrive at final outcomes that no individual of the group could have reached by themselves. When facilitating a design thinking workshop, share and quickly discuss these 6 guidelines with your team to level set expectations and allow your workshop to be as successful as possible.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more of our UX videos, take a look at these over here and consider subscribing to our channel. On our website, nngroup.com, you can access our free library of over 2,000 articles. You can also register for one of our UX courses that offer live, hands-on UX training.